Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are watching me for the very first time, my name is Lydia. So today I want to share with you guys a new tablet that I got online. So I got this tablet like a few days ago. It just came in today. First of all, don't mind my hair, don't mind how I look like. I was just taking a nap and this came in, so I thought I'd make a video out of it. Anyways, the tablet it's an Android tablet. I got it online and I thought I would unbox it with you guys so that we see whether it's really worth the price. It was not very expensive though. It was kind of in the middle there, but I had to get it because I really needed one for now. So let's jump into the video. Hello guys, so let's just go into the box and open it up, see what this really looks like. I'm so excited to dive inside this box right now. So as you can see, it comes with this black I don't know what it's called, but that's what they use for wrapping items online, I guess. So on top there it says tablet PC. Let's just go in, take off this wrapping and see what it looks like. Guys, I was really finding it difficult to open this box, yet I did not want to tear it apart in one at the same time. So that's why you're seeing me fidgeting, looking for where to open it from. Yep, so that is how it looks like. The tablet itself is right there, so it comes with a cable, two of them. So I guess you put that smaller one on top of that other one. We shall figure out that later. And then it comes with a wire that goes with a cable, USB wire. Then we have that other wire, USB wire. Then the headphones, they're pretty cute, by the way. I like them so much. I like how soft the earbuds are. I believe they'll be so good when you put them in your ear. Then that, I'll just have to read that. I don't know what it is. Then we have the menu. Guess I'll read that later. So let's go into the tablet itself. First of all, I like the size. It's a 10-inch and I think the size is 8. I love the size. I love how heavy it is. The back looks so nice and the front too. Let's take off that paper so you can see how the back looks like. It's so smooth and pretty. We have the cameras. I'm yet to test them out because they are really small. I don't know that they can really do something good. So, but anyways, we shall test that out. So we have the whatever for charging. We have the volume increasing and decreasing both. Then the switching on the power is right there. Then the speakers are right there. So Let's switch it on and see what it does. So you can see on top it says MediaTek. I don't know that that's the name of the tablet. I'm not really sure. So right there it says Android. It's switching on, but guys, the only thing I see with this, it's taking quite some time. I don't know that, maybe because it's my first time switching it on. So yeah, there we go. That's the screen. Guys, the lighting is so good. Right from right there, you cannot see it well, I don't know, but me over here, the lighting on the screen is so perfect for me. I haven't yet opened it yet, guys, but that's how the lighting looks like. So let me go ahead and figure out this, see where I opened from. Oh my god, okay, right there. Right there. So it has opened to Google. As you guys, I'm just showing you the lighting of the screen. It's so bright. Anyways, I'm going to play around with this and figure out where everything is. Meanwhile, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, click on the subscription button down below and leave me a message in the comment section whether you like the tablet, whether you have one for yourself, what type do you have for yourself, because yeah. So guys, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for viewing, and thank you so much, guys. Till next time, I think I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.